In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete or clear your Gemini history in seconds right here in Google Sheets. So if you've been working on Gemini and you just want to clear out or delete your history, here's how you can do it. So there are two easy ways on how you can do this. The first one would be to open your Gemini right here. Once you have that open, again, you will see right away the history of all the things that you've done with Gemini or the things that you've asked it to do for your spreadsheet. If you want to clear this out, you can go to the menu right here at the top left corner of that panel, and you will see right away your Clear History option. So if I click on this, all of the things that I've done with Gemini will be gone. So it's very important to you to remember that once you've cleared your history, there's no going back or restoring back those prompts that you've already used with Gemini. So that's your first option. Now, I'm not going to clear the history right now. What I'm going to do is to use the second method to clear my history. So if I go back right here, again, it's still here. And if I go to my browser and just reload this page, we can reload or refresh this page right here. So that's either going to be on your top left corner or wherever you would find your reload or refresh page. Just click on that, and that would automatically delete or clear your Gemini history. So if I go back to Gemini right here, you'll see that it's now cleared all of the things that I've done with Gemini. So I can start fresh, start with some new ideas or with new prompts right here. And those are the two easy ways on how you can delete or clear your Gemini history in seconds right here in Google Sheets. So this video is part of my Gemini series where I teach you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you want to check out the full playlist, I'll be leaving that with a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.